Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both the R1 units and your camera so nothing interrupts the process. Power on the AK-R1 and the camera, then mount the R1 to the flash or hot shoe and lock it tight. This prevents wobble and misfires. Once done, set the R1 to receiver mode and pick a clear channel. Doing so reduces interference. Make sure the LEDs indicate a stable connection and keep the transmitter nearby for the next pairing steps. Next, you pair the units and configure sync so your lighting behaves predictably. Put the transmitter into pairing, then press the pairing button on the R1 receiver until LEDs confirm link. This aligns channel and group. After pairing, set your camera's shutter sync speed and choose flash mode on the unit, TTL for auto exposure or manual for consistent output. Once set, test fire at low power. This verifies timing and gives you a finish by doing practical checks so your session stays smooth. Walk the shooting distance and verify line of sight and antenna positioning. Obstacles and angle matter for reliable triggers. If you see missed triggers or erratic power, swap in fresh batteries first. Weak power causes most problems. If problems persist, change to a different channel or factory reset both devices and repair. This clears conflicts and often fixes stubborn interference issues. If all else fails, try a different hot shoe or cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.